What is the smallest handcuff? Yung posas. What is the smallest handcuff in the world? You're right. The wedding ring. Because you realize you are attached to each other. A reminder for life, for God, especially for the children. And don't forget po, yung sinasabi natin palagi, how do you make the marriage work? BTS. Believe, trust, surrender. First of all, believe that God is with you as a couple. Trust that He knows everything, that He will help you. And surrender everything to Him in prayer. This is your attitude to God.